Action.
Hi, I'm Devin, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about eggs. Eggs can be used to improve nutrition, color, and texture of food. Due to them being considered the complete protein, they contribute many nutrients to food products. Eggs are a leavening agent, and the yolks add fat for tender and light texture. They add flavor, one will notice, in custards and puddings. They give an appealing color to the interior of baked goods, such as in cakes. Not only do they taste good, but they are very quick and easy to make. In contributing to the nutrition one needs, one can microwave eggs. This is one of the many ways in preparing an egg. Now let's go to Jarek and he'll show us how to microwave.
Action.
First, you have to crack the egg. And break it into the bowl. Then you have to puncture the yolk with a fork or a toothpick. You can scramble, poach, fry, or hard cook eggs. And and they continue to cook after you take them out of the microwave. And if you don't puncture the yolk, they can explode. Then you add some seasoning to your egg. So it tastes good. Add some cloves. Don't use raw eggs because they're not safe. Some egg substitutes are, well, they're cholesterol free, fat free, lower in calories. You gotta put this over the top first. Place it in the microwave for around 55 seconds. If you cook it too much, it'll become rubbery. Then you just wait.
Action.
This will be your finished product. A perfectly cooked microwave egg.
Is that good?